It's 9 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets. Bags under my eyes. They're not Louis Vuitton. They're not Louis Vuitton. All right, Jason, are you ready for another day? It's the reason why you have chicken titties and all of that good stuff and only one egg. But I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest, crispiest homemade chicken nugget because I have to redeem myself. Remember that McDonald's failure? Just the ooey gooey, mustardy, try to fry it and didn't it burn? Burn it to the ground. It's easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Now, I made a keto crust pizza out of chicken before and it was just the ground chicken. So you can use this for the recipe as well. I kind of recommend it because it's so easy, you just drain it. But I didn't want all the shade from everybody. Like, you can ground chicken. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, it's about 10 ounces of chicken you want. Because the McDonald's one was a fail using that mustard, which I don't know if it was just chef error or recipe error. So, fail on that. I'm gonna use some ground hot mustard, you know, so you still get that flavor, but you're not gonna have all the mess. The basic recipe is a half a cup of any cheese you like. I tried it with Parmesan once, which you're kind of like, is this an Italian nugget? Is it Luigi? Is it Mario? You know?
I'm your substitute teacher, Mr. Garvey.
Is it Capri? No. So just a little black pepper, and by little I mean come out a little bit more. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Some ground hot mustard. You can skip this step. You can also put in garlic if you want. All right, now we need our egg. Yep.
How many shells are in there?
None. I just took it out. Boop. You know, it's been a while since I had to crack an egg like that, so I've lost my wrist game. My wrist game's not on point. It's not on fleek. Now we construct our little nuggies. Okay. Get all that cheese in there. Leave no cheese left unturned. Now, I've seen people do this many different ways. They usually come out looking like chicken cups, like not a nugget. So I'm gonna try to shape them in a nugget, just, you know, for laughs. Lovely. These go in your oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and you flip them halfway through, and then finish them off in your air fryer. Deuces.
11 minutes later.
Woo.
Okay.
Flip. Look at that. Flip it and reverse it. Oh! Listen, that was almost a kitchen fail. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna put these in the air fryer to make them extra crispy. Look at this little protein thing. This is keto. Keto guito. You can read.
You gotta say the audio.
Can you read, bruh? 400 degrees, 5 minutes in your air fryer and get your life together. Woo, time to say some. This is like Sophie's Choice. Which one do you pick? Which one? I'm gonna pick, look at that. Look at that little nugget. I think I'm gonna do a ranch. This is what I would do if I was at Mickey D's. Keto, it's the way to go. Well, look at these beautiful things. It was really good, so. Yep. The most beautiful duet, these two. Did my job today. So, if you enjoyed yourself, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, clearly. Ring that bell for notifications and send me a love note. Swing it on home with a compliment back. All right? Trouble? Let's go. Want a nuggie? Come on. You wanna go in the backyard? All right, whatever.